Indianapolis. Thanks for sharing your thoughts on Lionel 1993 Book 2 with our viewers.
The Toy Train Review brings a new concept to the toy train hobby. It is a 60-minute video quarterly devoted to every aspect of tin plating. 4 times a year, in the spring, summer, fall, and winter, you will receive a complete program about toy trains. Nothing about the hobby is ignored in the Toy Train Review. No story is too big or too small to escape the probing, entertaining style of producers James Toohey and Tom McComas, whose previous work has made them the toast of toy train videos. The Toy Train Review is the start of something historic, and now is your opportunity to be part of it. Become a subscriber on a yearly basis and save money, and be eligible for special offers. Or buy the Toy Train Review separately as each issue comes out. The Toy Train Review. Subscribe now and say you were there at the beginning.
From the great Atlantic Ocean to the wide Pacific shore, from the green and growing mountain to the south belt by the shore.
Well, that's our show. We hope you enjoyed it. The next Toy Train Review will feature Boyd Mason's hobby store and museum in Hazlet, New Jersey, and we'll visit Chuck Ream, who has 2 layouts. One is T-rail and the other is reel. Plus more layouts, interviews, and surprises. Don't miss it. Until next time, full speed ahead.